Good morning, scholars. Happy Monday. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you're here. We have all sorts of tasks and jobs and learning to do today. We have lots and lots to get done, okay? Last week was all about getting to know each other, getting back into school mode, making sure that we had all of our materials, things like that. So this week we're gonna jump in to some real learning, and we're gonna be doing some review that you might have done in first grade, but now we're big second graders. So we're gonna go through it a little bit quicker than what you would have done in first grade, okay? But we just wanna make sure, because you haven't been in school in a while, and I wanna make sure that your brains are ready for second grade and all the things that we get to learn together. So today for math, we are going to use our math journals for the first time. We have not used these yet, so you can go grab not your writing journal, not the one that you decorated on the front, but your math journal, which should be empty. Okay, you shouldn't have written in it yet. If you did, that's okay, but it should still be empty. You're gonna grab that today. We're going to use it for our first time, okay? So once you get to our live Zoom meeting today, we're going to learn some math and we're going to learn about sentences, okay? For our math, we're going to do a little bit right now because I have a top secret number. I actually have 2 top secret numbers in here, okay? Are you ready to look at these top secret numbers? I wonder what these numbers could mean. Let's grab our first number. Should I look at it? What number did I just pull out of our envelope? 55. Your job right now is to grab your math journal. And you're going to use your wonderful writing skills. Miss Berger already did hers. But you're going to write exactly how you would start from the number 0, how you would get from 0 to 55. How would you do it? In your brain, how does your brain tell you to get from the number 0 all the way to 55? Go ahead and write that in your math journal. While you're doing that, I'm going to show you our next number. Ooh, this one's gonna be trickier. Okay. This one is, what number is that? 680. That's a big number. That's a huge number. So in your writing journal, or in your math journal, I'm sorry, I want you to write another sentence and explain your thinking of how you would get from 0 to 680. What does your brain tell you? What is your brain thinking of how you would get from 0 to 680? So you're going to write in your math journal how you get from 0 to 55, and then 0 to 680, okay? I just want you to explain how your brain is thinking right now, okay? Then, let's see. You're gonna bring that to class today, and we're gonna see how all of your brains work on getting from one number to the next. I also want you today to be looking through our morning message on our Google Classroom, which is where you're looking at this right now. But I want you to watch every single video that's posted in there. This video has our math jobs for today. So that checks off your math. Make sure you do in your math journal and bring that to class. I also want you to watch our sentence recipe videos, okay? There's a couple on there for you to watch. One is of me teaching you about a sentence recipe, how to make a sentence. And then there's another one of a sentence song, okay? So I want you to watch both of those videos. Make sure you watch them before you come to class. And that means you will be prepared for what we are going to be doing in our small groups. Today's schedule is a little bit different from what we've been doing the past few days, okay? We are going to be starting in small groups, okay? You each have a special group. We have the bear group, we have the deer group, and we have the fox group. So there's 3 different groups. which means not all of us are going to be together all at one time. We're going to be broken up into smaller groups so that there's less people on at the same time, so that we can get even more learning done, and so that I can get to hear how your brains are thinking. And I want you to listen very closely so that you know exactly which group you are in. So we have in the bear group, this is at 9:30. This is going to be Sophia, Lila, Melody, Eli, Tyler, Hayden, Seraphina, and Gunnar. Okay, if you just heard your name, you're in the bear group, and I will see you on Zoom at 9:30. Our next group is the deer group. So if you hear your name, you will be on Zoom at 10:30. So if your name is Gannon, Everett, Avery, Benjamin, Aiden, Olivia, Logan, Kadek, and Cadence, those friends will see me at 10:30, okay? And last but not least, we have our Fox group. This is going to be at 11:30, okay? So if you hear your name, you're in our Fox group. This is LEC, Esther, Gideon, Liam, LEM, Kai, Braden, and Maya, okay? If you heard your name, you're gonna be in our Fox group at 11:30. All right, my friends, I am so excited to see you at your small group, okay? We're gonna have so much fun. Make sure you bring all of your materials that you need. Watch all of those videos. You're gonna need your math journal with your math writing on the inside on how you would get to 55 and also how you would get to 680. And then I also want you to watch our sentence recipe video so that you know exactly what you need for our small group time. Have so much fun learning. I can't wait to see you.